Visible for $15 per month? Let's take a look at this new offer. So before we take a look at this new offer from Visible, let's take a look at their existing plans to make sure that it might work for you. So I'm just going to scroll down to their plans, and there are two unlimited data plans that they currently offer. So there's the basic Visible plan, and let's take a look. This is $30 per month, taxes and fees already included, and it includes unlimited talk and text and data, and also 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. And this is all on the Verizon network because Visible is owned by Verizon. And also includes unlimited mobile hotspot. So let's take a look. And Visible includes mobile hotspot with unlimited data at speeds up to 5 megabits per second, limited to one device only. When the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed. So just be aware of that. That is the unlimited hotspot data plan with some limitation on it. And also includes some extras as well. So there's spam protection, unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. So that is the $30 per month basic Visible unlimited data plan. Now, if you want to up it up to the Visible Plus plan, it is $45 per month, taxes and fees included. And let's see what you get when you up it up to the Visible Plus plan. So you get unlimited talk and text and data, 5G nationwide and 4G LTE coverage. You also get 5G ultra wideband performance. Those are like the fast, very high speed versions of 5G. I think it's like up to 1 gigabit per second if you're lucky enough to get that kind of coverage with premium network experience. And what that means is, let's take a look. So the premium network experience, I'm just going to zoom in just a little. You get 50 gigabytes of premium data every month on 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. So after 50 gigabytes, when the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your smartphone or hotspot data may be temporarily slowed. And also you get the 5G ultra wideband data as well. So premium access to the network, which is something you don't get in the basic $30 plan. And let's look at the unlimited hotspot. So your smartphone becomes a Wi-Fi connection for devices like tablets, laptops, and more. It also has that same 5 megabits per second cap speed, limited to one device. And after 50 gigabytes, when the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed down. So there are some limitations as well with the unlimited mobile hotspot feature on the Visible Plus plan. And also the extras, you get these different ones, a little bit more than what you would get on the basic $30 plan. So you can save on Verizon's home internet if you are subscribed to that, save $10 per month. There's spam protection, unlimited talk and text in Mexico, unlimited talk, text, and data roaming in Mexico and Canada, international calling from US to 30 plus countries, international texting from US to 200 plus countries. So those are the two differences between the two unlimited data plans that Visible currently offers. Now, this is brand new, just launched a couple days ago. So you could get a year of Visible for $15 per month. So switch now and bring your phone to save $15 per month for your first year of unlimited data, talk, text, and hotspot when you use the code 15 off for 12. 15 off 12. That's a 50% off of your Visible plan. So let's take a look at the fine print from this offer. So I'm just going to click on that. So this is new members that activate via Bring Your Own Device or BYOD via either eSIM or a physical SIM may use eligible promo code 15 off 12 for a $15 per month discount off the standard Visible Plus $45 per month or Visible $30 per month service cost for each of the first 12 months of the service. Standard cost of the service applies starting with the 13th month. Promo code is for one-time use only, and only one code may be applied per customer or per account. Promo code is not transferable, non-redeemable for cash, and has no cash value. Member must maintain service on the Visible Plus or Visible $30 plan for 12 consecutive months to get the full benefit of the promotion. No value will be provided to the member for unused promotional months if an account is terminated or migrates to an ineligible plan prior to the 12th month of the service. So the promo code 15off12 applies to service charges, and the member is responsible for all applicable taxes and fees. If it's part of it, it should not have any taxes and fees. And also, if you're thinking about using someone's referral code, well, promo codes may not be combined with any other sale, promotion, discount, such as bring a friend discount codes or coupons. Avoid where prohibited, taxed, or otherwise restricted limited time offer. And also at the very bottom, the member will receive any bring a friend credits at the end of the 12-month period of the 15 off 12 offer. So let's say you do sign up for this plan using that code already, and you use your referral code and one of your friends signs up. Well, those credits don't apply until this 15 off 12 is completely finished. So what are some of the data speeds you might see with the Visible Plus plan? Well, back in September of 2022, I did get a chance to test this out. So if I pull up this video, which I'll have a link in the description, or you can also click on one of the cards at the very top of this video and you can check out that review. So this is a review that I did back in September, and I was testing out the Visible Plus plan, which is the $45 per month plan. And I live around the SoCal area, Los Angeles County area, and this is some of the speed tests that you're gonna get. So this is just on nationwide 5G, no ultra wideband. It's kind of hard to find those kind of connection where I live. And you're getting around, if you look on the right hand side, that's the Plus plan. The Legacy plan was the old Visible plan. It used to be $40 per month. They used to have this thing called Party Pay. When you join a Party Pay, it knocks it down to like $5 per month, depending how big your party is. I was able to join a party of 4 or more, so I'm paying $25 per month for that line. Now this is some of the downside with the ultra wideband. So sometimes I get the connection and I sometimes don't get the connection. And when I do, I can get speeds up to about 158 megabits per second for my downloads, and uploads were about 17.67. I never got like anything beyond that when I was testing out this Visible Plus plan. So other things that you can also add is a smartwatch for just $5 per month, and it looks like it's only a Apple Watch that you can add. So if you have a cellular version of the Apple Watch, you can actually add it to your Visible plan. So what about their tech support? Well, it's kind of a hit and miss. You know, from reading stuff on Visible's, I don't know, Reddit thread, subreddit, you know, people don't really like, you know, have different experiences with their tech support, and it's all via chat. There's no physical store, or there's no support number that you can call. My own experience with their support team via chat, it's been kind of mixed. Sometimes they give good answers, and sometimes they don't. That's been my experience. I wish they do have a phone number that you could call to get support better than just chat. I kind of wish with this deal, Visible would throw in at least like just a 1-week trial for new customers to see if they like the network and if everything works out for you before they commit to this. I think they do have a, try Visible for free, but I don't think you could try it for free first because you have to activate it and then apply this discount code. So I'm not sure if that will work. So it looks like on Visible subreddit page, there's already a discussion about this on whether or not you can use the $15 off promo code after you use the free trial. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. What are your thoughts on this new offer from Visible? Are you a current customer? What has been your experience with Visible? And if you want to check out a different carrier that uses the Verizon network but is an MVNO, you can check out my US mobile review right here.